The physical buttons are unresponsive. We have a hardware lockout situation. The key lock icon confirms the software has disabled the side panel. Method 1, we'll use the service code to bypass the lock. Sequence, mute 1, 8, 2, then power. Keep it fast. The service menu is open. Avoid touching the ADC or white balance. Go into control and find the panel lock toggle setting. Set panel lock to off. This restores the side button functionality. It works. Method 1 is complete. Now, what if you don't have the remote?
If you don't have the remote, we use the hardware reset. Wait for the standby light to fade.
Locate volume down and source on the physical side panel.
Press and hold both buttons. Do not let go yet.
Reinsert the power cord while keeping the buttons firmly pressed. The TV is now forced into the system recovery mode.
Select factory reset from this list.
The system is wiped. All hardware locks are now removed.
Full panel control is back.
That's how you handle a locked TV.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.